here in Paris and just about to meet the designers. So we're looking at the characters that they want to create for the Paris Couture show. So my first thing is going to be that when I get in there, I really need to connect with them, really need to ask them the right questions and make sure that we get that character down. We've got 15 models each for this show. It's going to be quite quick. We've got a really quick call time, and what we really need to do is get to the essence as soon as possible. We created for two different designers, really individual. So Ernesto was the first one that we created, but we wanted something that denoted the character within his clothes. So every single person for him was an individual character. So what we wanted to do was make sure each girl had that essence to her. So with the gel, what we did is we created continuity, so pushed it back off the face and let the hair create its own natural identity. So this left a really strong but really individual look. On Paula's, what we did was we created a few different looks. We created something that was pulled back. We did a wet to dry, little dry knot in the back with some little dry pieces, but really clean, really edgy though with her. She wanted something that was kind of really London-centric, but to show in Paris. So along with that and some hair accessories, and we had some fringing on Ernesto's, and on Paula's we had these kind of amazing sculptured looks and hats. So two very different feelings, but what that did for us is created some real good passion and some real good collaboration today. Team loved it, I loved it, absolutely shot to pieces, but great shows.